Hey everyone, welcome to Michael's Market Monday. Mid-January here, looking at a market that spiked a little in the, well, not really spiked, but it went up a little bit in the Midwest. $20 to $30 in some instances, not on primes, but some HMS grades. Really the prime market, hot rolled coal and all that, even rebar still in the Midwest, is just no appetite for it. So the price went up a little bit, and that had a lot to do because the price went down in December, and this is Midwest. The price went down 20 to 30 in December. And then there were some weather-related shortages to material, lost it to the ground, and then weather conditions and freight, mostly rail. So that had an effect there, and that's the reason why there was a little price bump in January that was unexpected. In the rest of the United States, really sideways, East Coast, West Coast, sideways, all those sales, flurry of sales going off at the beginning of January, and those sales could haunt some of the larger companies if we take a run up in the spring, being that they're still trying to fulfill some very large sales at numbers, market numbers that could be substantially higher February, March. So expecting that things will go from the bottom, which is where we're at now, to spiking anywhere between $60 and $100 a ton coming the spring. So that's a big what if, but that seems like that's what we've been talking about the last couple of weeks. In terms of supply side, it's really still pretty down, in line with the demand, so not a lot that can change the price one way or the other. The reality is we'll wait and see. A new administration coming in, things could get a little wild out there, so looking forward to seeing what shakes out. On the non-ferrous side, it's going to be the same banana, a little bit of holding your breath period here. So we'll see how that materializes and pans out. Most of the copper had to really be on the water by last Friday before the inauguration, because of fears of tariffs on that material that's China bound. So not a lot. There's Chinese New Year, a lot of reasons to have a little bit of a pause right now, and in that pause, likely that there's going to be some additional margin grabs going on at the dealer level. So look for those margins to expand a bit. Prices likely will not be very good here in the next couple of weeks. Again, we'll see what happens, but the market is down, and supply's down. Not a lot of great things to tell you here, so I wish I had better news for you all, but we appreciate you. Hope you're having a great new year, and we'll talk to you very soon. Thanks, everyone.